there she goes. Just walking. In the grass. Today's kind of bright. I don't know if the mic is picking up my voice, but I don't really care. Something cool happened. Like, you know, we see something cool. Hopefully. We'll be going to the park and you take that because I just, really want that to happen. So, yeah. Don't really know how my edits are doing that I made. Smoke the chamber in my number like a dog. No golf balls for now. I want you guys to tell me if you guys see anything. Yeah, this is gonna be. Here we go. Now we can go. Bam, 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 bam. A lot of breathed today. But anything cool is happening. I got 2 and 16 minutes left. I think that's how it goes. I was always shit with time, so don't know. No. Doing a lot of this and just having a lot of fun. That's the house where Ding Dong ditched. Zoom in. One of that one. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, famous.